Okay, quick update as we go. I just cleaned up the headliner, put the new fabric down. So here it is. Is it easy? Is it simple? If you're a perfectionist, I'd say no. I mean, I've got these little tiny, you can kind of see these little tiny imperfections. There's a little bit of a ridge line here where you fold it over and stuff. There's tiny little things, but overall, I mean, it's a million times better than what it was, for sure. Here is the adhesive I used. I could even link the video. There's a great online YouTube video that the guy walks through how to do this. It is really fantastic. Yeah, so we got this done. We're going to pop it in the truck, and then I'll make another video. Just wanted to do a quick update. Okay, follow-up. We have the headliner in. Obviously pretty simple to reinstall, especially in a standard cab. Looks great. It's going to look even better when I have these back panels in, but I want to get the carpet in before I put these side panels on. Looks fantastic. Love the new visors with the lights. Great addition. Obviously this one's a little bit rough, but the other one's pretty good. And the color matched so well. As you can see, you know, the liner to the trim and everything else looks amazing. Even though I know there's some small flaws in here, and if you ever get finger dents and pressure points, overnight they all came out, they all settled out. So turned out great. Now we're just working on the pillar pod, pulling the old gauges out, putting the new glow shifts in. Once we have that in, then we'll throw the carpet in. That's it for this. That was the headliner. I'll leave links below to where I got everything, what I did, and even the YouTube video of showing how to do the headliner. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.